Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another 3D printed miniature. This is the Half-Orc Bandit from Lost Adventures Co. This guy has been slightly modified as well, since he's a PC in my D&D campaign, and the main mini normally uses a halberd, but my character uses a hammer, so I've swapped out for a hammer from Artisan's Guild. He was primed black, and I start off with intermediate green for his orky skin. If you have any questions or mini requests, you can drop them in the comments below or join the Discord using the link in the description. There you can also vote on video ideas and share anything you have been working on. You can also come hang out and chat on Twitch while I play games, and stream on Wednesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. To get some shadows into the skin, I gave it a quick wash of green tone. While waiting for the wash to dry, I based the cloak in night blue. For the fur parts, I wanted a lighter fur than I would normally do, so I started off with skeleton bone. Next, I used dark flesh tone for the bottoms and leather straps around his wrist. I wanted a lighter colour for the shirt he's wearing, so I went with Vallejo's leather brown. Having given the wash plenty of time to cure, I come back in with intermediate green just to bring out that bright green and leave the darker shade in those recesses. For his boots and belt, I used black grey. This is basically a very dark grey that appears black but can still be sort of darkened down by a wash so that it shows some shadows. I then done another wash using blue tone all over the cloak. This didn't really darken it down as much as I thought it would, as night blue is pretty dark anyway, so you could probably skip this step. To highlight the skin a little, I used goblin green, just for those very raised areas, bringing out some of the details on the face and the muscles. The hammer has a nicely sculpted leather handle, so I use scarlet red just to show it off and make sure it doesn't look like wood. I do also dot in the eyes in this as well, as orcs should probably have red eyes. For the rock here standing on, I give it a quick base coat of dark stone. Now onto the metal areas, using plate mail metal for everything. where I realized the night blue doesn't really get affected by the wash, but I just came back and covered in those raised areas anyway, just in case. To highlight the folds in the cloak, I used deep blue. I gave the rock a quick dry brush of cold grey just to give it a bit more of a stone look that's been exposed to the weather. I then gave all of the black grey parts an edge highlight of stone wall grey. Now for the final wash on the Mini, this is strong tone over everything that hasn't already been washed. I wanted to bring back some of that brightness in the furs, so I dry brushed a bit more skeleton bone just over the top to make it pop out some more. The same with the hammerhead, it felt too dark for me, so a quick dry brush of just plate mail metal just brings it back up and makes it shiny again. To finish up the Mini, I just used black on the base. And that will be it for the Half-Orc Bandit, ready to join the rest of the party dungeon delving. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can suggest and vote on video ideas or just share things you have been working on. If you want to help support the channel more than you are already just by watching the videos, you can drop a tip on my Ko-Fi page. There is no monthly subscription there, it's just a one-off thing that helps me buy some more paints. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.